What's up, Speak Wine family? Happy Sunday, happy Sunday, happy Sunday to you all. What's cooking? Someone not cook all three meat, while some people can cook one. But you don't know, hard work, the key to success. You have some people when you put in nothing at all and expect to be the best. And when them see you rated as the greatest, them don't want to see that. Remember, you know, hard work where you put in make you have the key to success. Them the crow bait, they not put in nothing at all, but them expect to be the best. Speak mind, people. I just a talk in general, you know. This is not a true word. You don't know what they do. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you rate the video. And please to watch the ads. I say please to watch the ads. Please don't be, turn off by watching the ads because you are seeing too much ads on the video. It's just for the December. That's for about the next 20 days. And then all of that gone. Alright? It's a festive season. So these commercials are coming into YouTube. And we are the ones who perform the duty. So you know, they have to fill the channels that is suitable for ads with ads to get the job done. And that's an extra income for the person who own the channel. So support on your favorite channel, man, by watching the ads. And once a year you see this. You understand? I remember now, it's not everyone that you probably can afford or everyone that you do reach out to your platform who have entertained you for the season. So by watching the ads, that's your part of contribution. You understand? To your favorite channel platform holder. Alright. And remember, continue to support my backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. Go and subscribe if you have not yet subscribed to that channel. Family oriented channel. A different part from over here. So family oriented where you can watch your cook vlog, indoor, outdoor, sightseeing, drama, entertainment, commentary and all. Newscasts. You understand? Yes, man, family oriented. The bar talk and the street talk, which is not something I really try to do on a regular basis, but just to keep the channel spice up. And sometimes some of those reasoning is, good reasoning to listen, because sometimes you get a lot of positive from it. Sometimes you learn a lot of things from it, where you might never even know about or would ever even think about what has been said, but you don't know them thought that we can't filter them thought there, because it's not like we go there with orchestrate a scene. They say we are create a scene. No. I'm just there, topic comes up and I just feel like draw from my phone, probably who's around comfortable with me using my phone. So I can use my phone to do it videoing and make it and create it as a content. So I can't filter the people when them talk. So sometimes you might hear some curse words or some things, but in the title you will see rated PG. So if you have a little one beside you, you can say go into your room, but otherwise your little one can stay and watch anything on the channel. Family oriented. And the extended part of that channel is on TikTok. Life is a Mission TV. If you have not yet followed me on TikTok and you have a TikTok account or you want to follow me, you can go ahead and open a TikTok account. I am over TikTok. I am not over TikTok for Lion, Zion or Payan. I am not over TikTok to beg tops and roses. No. I am over TikTok because people, I am a music lover. You understand? Enough time would I like feel like I want to vibes and I play some music. While me I entertain someone with some nice music also. Whether at work and the night shift or at home, just relaxing or whatsoever. And my type of music is mostly probably some other type of music. You understand? Because I like the 90s type of music and I listen all it's at times. Not the all it's, but all it's the more like 70s, 80s all it's, not the 50s all it's. I will listen to them, but I don't really love them like that because, I like my music have a little hook which can catch me and have me rocking. You understand? So, Life is a Mission TV and TikTok is for that purpose. When I can go live anywhere, I know so I don't have to think about music. Despite them have some little simple rules. I mean, say you get banana, you get grape, you have a just like how you will get strike and all copyright there. But music is one of my main thing. We're glad for it over there so far. As I say, when I don't make me reach 1,000, despite I can go live now as I said, but I don't want to go live until I don't make me reach 1,000 followers over there. Me I go start do some live over there. You understand? If by doing the live and people who have coins, as what them would state it, and want to give me, you're free to. But you're not going to hear me come and tell you tap the screen and them something. No. If you know how you TikTok run and you have coins can give me a rose, give me this, free to. Just like if I have my YouTube channel and I turn on my super chat and want to give me super chat. Or something similar to that. You understand? But you're not going to hear me come out, but tap the screen. Yo, send me a lion, send me a wheel, send me this. I know my style of people. So go over TikTok and follow me. Life is a Mission TV. Whole heap of social commentary. Different side of me again over there. So who over there can comment and tell them. Different side of me over there. So that's how versatile me is. I am adjustable. I am not a pliers or a spanner, I should say. Because a pliers might can open pull more than one bolt, but a spanner, if it's a 16-inch spanner, is only a 16-inch bolt you can pull. Remember, Life with Gabby and Chevy still a big subscription, and the cash app is there, $ Charms and Trend. When you gift me, I use a gift to give back to the needy. And please remember, go on Instagram, check out the business page of Charms and Trends. That's charmed_and_trends. Go in on the DM, anything you see what they customize. It's a season for giving back. You want to give your loved one a specialized gift. Anything you see, you get it customized. You can go straight to the website and order. charmedandtrend.shop. Anyway, people, I have two little things I want to come highlight here. One, me hear Dewiesha call, I said, not calling, say 360 end. In end, basically is life. I got bitter than female. So Dewiesha, you acknowledge that your life is bitter. Okay. It's good when you can acknowledge certain things. And with you saying this, it simply means you know what you have done of the past. Despite you're still denying you coming out here and talk about kids, which it has been said by people that you have done it. You accept say you have done it, but you try to make it look like, oh, you have not done it as all other people has done it. Whether you do it to a level up yourself or a level down yourself, you still do it. And that is what you must accept. That's the fact. You come out here and you kids. Alright? So, we are going to talk about Dewiesha. It's the main part of the video. But people, today is what? The 30th, right? Is it today the BFG Awards in Canada? I guess so. People, who see the picture and the makeup and the clothes and with Tina post? You see? Papa Jesus. The way me hear Tina go on and talk about in her appearance, and she have to come out because she know everybody's looking out to see her and this and that, and she have to be tap and she have to cook up the award. Yeah, she have to be the one who top the award. She must be the talk about when the award done. Lord of mercy. If I saw you, they prepare after the function put off. You get more time to prepare. And up to the time when you have vision yourself, probably looking like how you look, dressed like how you dress, buy the dress where you buy if you put on, you still not picture yourself and say no, this not worth it. Girl, why you have to always try wear clothes to show your body? Eh? You don't feel confident in yourself wearing a full dress, looking good, a nice outfit, looking good without showing your boobs or showing your legs or showing your ass. Eh? Jesus, please. People, me I go show you two pictures before me move on. If you wanna see me want to make your own judgment. Because the way them a girl criticize people when them just gone away. Recently how she criticized 99. And this is why she feel like say she have to go to the extent, because she know people eyes are going to be on her. You understand? So she feel like she have to go to the extent to prove to the diaspora and social media here. And because of that, she spoil herself, bro. Tina look like some old balm fish. Cause you know when boat got see for night pan top and night, you have some big boat that got see for all 1 month. Just a catch fish and go with some. And then put them pan ice, and ice alone can't help, so them balm them. You know that's something that them use pan people down at dead house. Yes. Balm. Then balm the fish them, and them say them sitting on good for it secure. And when the boat come in, for some reason it's like them forgot to put the fish them pan ice, cause them not do away with them fast enough and them spoil. As so Tina look spoil. Jesus. Just because she want to prove to the public. People, let me show you. Before me show you the dress, me I go show you the face. Lord Jesus, please. No, sir. I want you to tell me if you buck up this girl anywhere at all. Looking like this, if you could have hide. It coming like our man she have and hide her ugly face. Cause this no look nowhere near her and it no fit her. And remember, you can't tell her say she not sexy, you know. One, the picture makes she even uglier because she have on this whole heap of makeup and still like she turn on filter upon her phone. Good God, man. When you see all this picture, you should delete it. Wanna look Pantina? Kill her. Say she a dead, say she a Cinderella. Look on her. You can't tell her say she don't want Cinderella. Wanna look on her good. Wanna tell me if this a makeup you fit her. First thing, the makeup out her color is a good thing she have on this scarf business around her, or jacket or whatsoever she have on around her. Make you now see the full match of her neck come down and her tone of her skin to the makeup what she have on. This a makeup artist you know ready. Them must say I want them why you go do them sitting there, you always go back up and plank and make them mess you up so. Because when you do them sitting there most and plank you back up and they mess you up, you know. And I say so, somebody says so, sir. So I just repeat, and I say so. Because no plank out would probably even want to touch this face here. Let me show you again another one. Well, the two one of them look the same. Make we move on to the dress now, people. No, sir. We are going to move on to the dress before we move on to a question we make a ask. So, no, me don't know, me can ask the question me ask. Me not say I saw it go, and me not say I no saw it go. But me ask a question because me have a reason to ask a question. But me can move to the dress first. Look pan her. Look pan the wall of yaso. If them claim to say them are going to one event where it's like a high profile event. Come on, you could have covered up your body. You could have tricked the crowd this time around. Not trick, surprise the crowd this time around. And wear a full covered up dress. Watch it. Alright, me not have a problem with upper the shoulder part here so. Because one, probably she wear the shoulder dress. All because she was one of them who comes out here and speak of 99 dress as she regard the brunch and claim to say she could have wear a nice like a shoulder off dress. She was one of them, you know, or a nice, and she start telling the type of dress that would have fit more. But when me I said, look on the wall of the leg out a door, and remember, you know, it's not like she have no feminine leg, you know. She have one of them male track star type of foot there, you know. Look on her good. And one of the male track star type of foot she have, I mean, I know she proud of it, so. Why you couldn't wear a dress to cover up your body? I want to look on the dress. There's anything special about this dress, the way oh she that go on like said she gonna be the grand entrance of it when she walk out. Look on this dress. Does anything special about this dress? Wanna tell me the honest truth. Don't play because one is a hater for her. Just the honest truth. Does this dress, not saying the dress might not fit somebody else and fit them well enough, but this dress to all should have make it look like she's going to have a grand entrance that at the end of this show she will be the talk about. Probably should have in the top 10, much as top 5. No, sir. In case I move on to Dewiesha, because No, so I can't believe them people. Yeah. Just because you want to outdo people or outshine people, you go overboard and spoil yourself. Look at your makeup. No, sir. You not do nothing for that makeup. The makeup you not do nothing for you, and you not do nothing for it. Trust me. We're gonna move on to the question now, people. Alright, I see where she posts. This is a video with some, she title it. I can show you what she title it. Miniature bonded rum cake topped in powdered sugar with berries simmered in compote of red wine and rum. Dessert for the BEBG award provided by your truly Rum Cake Lab by Tina Chin. Alright, this is what she have up there now, and she claimed this is hers. Alright, but my question is, I stroll on to her video. This is her video. Look at the video. This is probably the sugar and the rum, the wine and and the berries and whatever them are put on. But more want to look around the table. Is it this something possible? It's her product. Why would have these Chinese doing all these dressed things? Look at it, people. I don't know, I'm just asking the question. I don't know. I am just asking the question. For you people who more out there in a them type of earlier, more experience in all these type of things. Why would these people doing all this dressing when the catering part is hers? Plus, because she cater these for these things, she is the one that cater these things. Plus, if you look at these people, they have on something like a company shirt with their logos. But at the same time, Tina is claiming this. What do you think? For somebody who we know is such a liar in social media, like to claim people products, go and Google this, Google that, and post it, crop and paste like it's her one. What do you think? Make her play it again. See the logo on the people them shirt? Yes, these things look like the rum cake, something what she make. But why these people would be doing this? And these people is not even niggers. Look at them. Look at the race of the people. Me don't know. Tell me what you think in the comment. I am not saying it's not her product. But this, when me say, leave me if you wonder. And for the person where we know Tina is, who like to take and claim people products. You understand? So, me leave it there so if you want to tell me in the comment section. Anyway, make we move on to Dewiesha now, because Dewiesha do one long life there and me don't know what it him for start go at 360. And as me say, him continue to deny asking people to come out here with the video where he, disrespect kids and stuff like that, which he already accept that he have done it. But in the manner of how people are saying do it, that wasn't the manner. And him wouldn't call that disrespect, which are discriminating or whatsoever kids. But I put it that way because if I have a speech problem and you're going to tell me about my speech problem, what are you doing? What are you doing? And that's exactly what him do to such woman child. Tell her she can't go whatsoever. Right? That child, and you're not in a nothing, just like how you say other people, child and other people we are talking about them child not in a nothing. Are the same for the same. But it's what we want to do right. Because let me tell you something. A man never say the wrong what him do, but him see another man wrong. You understand? So me do something, your sister me do something, but when you do, sister you're wrong. It is okay for you to do it because you do it. Anyway, we are going to get in our video. Boy, I tell you people, the video I just play with T girl on Facebook it depend. my next Facebook phone down. Because it'll come on and come off. So it's like the screen won't change. So while coming off of that video, if you go back on the video now, which is the main video where I got play with Dewiesha, I go at 360. Just as I go up and back, come off a T-girl, go up and switch up and do it. Boy, I tell you, this is a woman, your man. I tell you. And then on the talk about no one piece, and every pan I mix up and knock on the dead. There's a little thing that go on. I wake up to this man all over the internet where Rebel keep a party, and Rebel is managed by Ramesh. So some fight broke out and whatsoever with some other TikTok and stuff. And all kind of things that say and said allegedly that Ramesh was a part of the whole happenings, allegedly. You don't know, said this woman here, this big old 60-year-old woman, we're supposed to pass retirement or soon reach retirement age. As me tell you now, on one video I say yesterday, the video I post with the even video yesterday, I'm showing her page when you look out and just skip her, just be a mix up, she just a repost, nothing positive. When you look, I must say about 2 to 3 different saga of mix up where the whole thing is concerned. This woman is a big woman, supposed to have granny too. And everywhere the pan a mix up knock, the woman did it. And this is the woman who want change in a social media. How can you want change and a follow up where you want to change from? You know, cut your eye past nothing. Nothing at all, you know, cut your eye past. And worse, this could involve Ramesh. It is like so easy for her to repost it and caption it. I want to know if she caption it, in name I go in the caption. I want to know why. So putting out, she just love to follow up every little young people, young girl, young boy, corner mix up. For repost on her page. For claim to say, and somebody will claim to say, them wants to change and peace in social media. You keep on following up these mix up. So all the change is going to come. You're going to say you alone can't do it. But you alone can start it. And if it takes 10 years, if it happen, at least you were an advocate of peace on social media. And you show the sacrifice by staying away from it. But you have to come out and say you alone can't do it like what you said the last time. Why me and then that simply mean deep down in you don't want to change? Because if you're going to sit down and watch people come with you through, you say change, and everybody just come with you one time, it's not going to work. You have to stand up for the change and make people say yes, if somebody will love it so much, really stand up, and then you might jog one more video, then the one they might jog somebody else. But you don't want a peace. I talk this every day. You have been proving this from last year, say you don't want a peace. I highlight you every day about you calling for peace but don't want any peace. You just want to look good because you know when you say peace, you're not going to get no peace. So when the time come around for people talk about nobody no want a peace in a social media, somebody might say no, at least one, somebody always a call for peace. Such woman a call for peace but she don't want it. Anyway, I could get in the Dewiesha video. Jesus, peace. Big old woman like Uno no young girl, you know? Uno no young girl. And when you go on the page, everything you want to repost and mix up. And then Uno no have the talent to create no form of content where even surround the mix up. Uno have to repost the mix up. Jesus Christ. So all of them have the talent to create, you know, a content after the mix up. Uno just can't make it go by. Uno have to repost other people content. Come do it. Cause you on 360 when they hear this tomorrow or other day.
That's the part I would never understand.
Want to eat two cashew people.
I just can't understand why you guys allowing evil people to control you. controlling the mindset. I have to make one of those things out here. I send things out in an atmosphere, but don't so pleasing. You know, one thing I'm gonna tell you guys: whatever energy you put out to the universe is exactly what you're gonna get.
No alcohol.
So if you want,
No marijuana.
if you want
No
good
cigarette.
vibrations, put out good vibrations out there. If you want bad vibrations, put out like them the people there. Ask yourself why they keep on getting negative vibrations come back to them, because everything they put out, everything they put out is always negative. So the more negative you put out, negative gonna come back. The more good energy you put out, good energy gonna come back to you. Anything you want,
You get in there, I climb the ladder, I might get there.
Any kind of energy you want for the universe, put it out there and see if it'll come back.
You get in there, I'm climbing the ladder.
And look at why can't they curse me, and why has my mindset become so controlled and nice and cute and peace and happy? It's because I've been putting out a lot of good vibrations out to the universe. Say hello universe, hello universe, it's time. Universe, it's time. So here you are. Take me as I am. See me here, and I keep on putting out good vibes, good vibrations, and it's coming back at me slowly but surely. It's coming back slowly. Nothing happens straight away. It takes time, and I have a lot of time to offer. I'm the same person. I have a lot of time to offer, right? A lot. And I have a lot of time to work on myself too, because I'm stuck in my home. Do you guys realize that every time I get company people on the live stream, they report it, when I realize these people they're wicked, them is wicked.
Listen up.
I'm gonna tell you guys
Basically, I'm accused 360 of doing this.
Sir, I'm crippled, okay, I'm disabled, but I'm telling you, I know for a fact my end it will not be as wicked as yours, and that's just the truth, God love. Take it from the crippled boy, take it from me. And you know, say you grew up in a household that pleases God. I know this. I know you grew up in a household that pleases God. My question to you is, why have you allowed yourself to become so corrupted and nasty like this? Why Ashanti? Ashanti, you must say no better, sir. You must say no better. But because I want to go $5, I want to $2, I want to $10, this is what you do. You are shameless. You're shameless, sir. You're shameless. I tell you the truth. You is a sad excuse for a man. It's a sad excuse. Because no man, me don't want no man in my circle or in my what me grow up on. I don't know no man to behave like you. None at all. As me say, if one behave so, no one got box, you know. I don't know how it's me. I'm a little girl, whatever. I said, come back, I will come to England. Then again, from when I was little, I was kind of like that, but I wasn't like that, right? I'm telling you, all of the men that we grew up on, a strong black man, they take care of them people.
So you are the weakest one doing?
They was the breadwinner.
All of the man you grew up with a strong black man, but you come a weak one.
Me, I'm big up my uncle them, right? I them, you know, say, I them.
Because when you don't praise them for, you not do that. So he's a weak one.
Like in terms
So
of
you always have a bad one against the lot.
them, I'm a father. Big up my father. Everything else we learn, I will come to England. I England learn something there. But big up my uncle and big up my father, because trust me,
So,
them teach me how to be a man. One thing.
what are you doing? So you're blaming your bad habit and England? Because you say everything what you learn, what you do you no one to learn, since you come to England. So you're learning your bad habits and all what you have done out here on social media and England. If you did that Jamaican if you be that, you're gonna be the same thing. Where? We don't always find a way to blame things on others or make on yourself look different from the person we might have do the same thing as Uno. Or the person who Uno accuse of doing something and Uno I do the same thing. Uno always find a way to garnish on yourself to look more brighter. You understand? When Uno do the same thing, Uno try to take on yourself or justify why Uno do what Uno do. The next person can't justify it, you know. So same like how you might accuse the next person of doing this or that. They can come out here and justify just like how you justify for your action. Where you gonna tell him say or tell her say she can't justify or him can't justify. So how you are justify for your behavior. And try to lessen your behavior than what the person do. When all it is in the same line, whether you do less or him do more, at the same line, you should not have done nothing to be in that line. Then you could attack. Where? Move.
But one thing I'm sure about, my uncle and my father, they teach you how to be a man. Yeah? I'm sure about the one there. And me no know no man at all. Listen, when I say man, I mean man, like a real black man. I don't know.
So you're a fake man? You're a fake black man? What are you saying? Who you talk fake?
All the cracks think and I don't know. No man don't do something. Unless the man are arguing with his wife or arguing with the woman, they might tell her one to add word and go out to business. But apart from that, I don't know. No man.
Dewiesha. Stop no man. Stop man. Because it come like you lose your memory. Stop. It look like you're C9. You can't recall. It don't look like you can't recall. It look like you're C9. But this is more than C9. This is 10 and 11. You hear my class the man. And the man come out here tomorrow now. People say the man this and the man that.
I'm telling you the truth. If your parents, you see, make sure say your parents them, they're shame of you. They're shame. If they're not shame, God for box them down. If you get them 2 hard box, I swear to God, I'm in a business the truth. I'm telling you the truth. If your parents them don't shame of you, God for box them down.
Come on.
And that's the truth.
This is what me just say. After your behavior in front of your mother a couple months ago, and all your mother talk to you, you actually want to run your mother out of the place that people have to say you disrespect your mother. Which I never really see you disrespect your mother still. Because I did come out and say, I think as such woman, yes, the one down so, yeah. The fly up down so, yeah. Make a big deal out of it on disrespecting mother and thing. Which I never really see it as disrespect. He was on his live before she come. She come and him asked her to go home because him don't want to behave in front of her. So I want to see it as disrespect. But then again, the point is, based on what Emma said now, she was still there. So if you not make your mother shame of you, because the only thing them could have said, you could have cut the live and make she go on, or deal with her and make she go on, and then you come back on the live. But you might open your feelings and you don't want to come out of the feelings, cut the live, and then when you come back, you know bother deal with what you want to deal with. So you just want to get over it. But nobody say what you said the way. You never disrespect your mother. But the same thing what you say about him and female parents, your mother might have think the same thing about you. Oh, yeah, come on. Oh, my mother loves me. My mother loves me. Oh, sorry. I forgot to say your mother loves you. Your mother loves you.
To me, you are a product of your environment, right? It's a product of your environment. I'm sure say in parents them don't stay, they probably don't stay so. I grew up and the world was so harsh for them, it turned nasty. Jesus Christ, Father, God, I pray them.
6 or 1.5 dozen of the other.
I don't know about I don't know.
You go to shop and say sell me half dozen mango.
I have some because I want to talk about.
Or 6 you go get. And if you go there and say sell me 6 mango. a 6 year ago get it, just that you say it in a different way. So what you saying?
A little bit people been told me that there's this video going around where allegedly, well not allegedly, I had a calling show where people cussed out people and saying the advocate is now the person who's advocating for children.
You also do.
But
It no matter at the level, you cuss out Pitney. Because when you cuss the child about him speech, I cuss you cuss him. So what are you saying? You cuss a child about his speech. Oh, so you never deliberately cuss him, but you tell the mother about the speech of our child. So if you can look after him. Oh, so I'm not in your cuss. Alright. Fair enough. Hold on to. Hold on to.
I'm not saying I'm trying to start an alt.
And you never remember that because them say the man a bush no remember the man step in it. So if the person never remind you, you would recall say yes, you did say something true.
I was not comfortable, right? So
But you're ready if you come blame other people.
and anything that's
They do
on
the
that- on
same
that
thing.
video, it was not said from my lips, which means you are pulling for straws at this. You're pulling for straws at this point. Straws, right? If only can spell straws, I'd have to know how to pull for. Until only can put a video out here with my voice talking ill about the child, please sit down. Leave me alone.
But you admit
Because when you know better, you do
about
better.
what you say, but you just justify it, so you don't need no video. You know you say something. The people, them all you at that cursing a child. So you have to accept it because that is cursing a child, of course.
I want to say, many of you won't stop. But I won't stop coming out and encouraging my people, my fellow. I will not stop coming out here and encourage my brothers and sisters to pull themselves away from you people. Even if they don't want to come and support me, just pull themselves away from you people. Even if they don't want to support me, come away from you people and go to other people who actually puts out constructive things out here, things that actually make sense, meaningful content in the general public, and remove themselves away from many of you, because many of you is a disgrace to humanity. You are a disgrace to humanity. And I'm gonna say publicly,
Hey,
anything that's put out here, it's not my voice.
when we go up on the man page a while ago, you know, somebody make a post, he mark out the name, somebody know, and me can identify the person, because even if it's a cartoon picture. Somebody make a post. The way I can somebody make right that piece there, you know. But the person is like congratulate him for the change that they are seeing in him. Dwayne feel big, you know, so Dwayne make sure we post it. Yes, you might have a little change in you, but after how long? And as me I say, no matter how long it take, if you say you change, you're supposed to just know say you change. No matter what you see happen 2 days, 3 days, 1 week, 1 month after you change, things not happen the way how you feel like it should happen or how you want it to happen. You're gonna come right back to square one like that woman there, where one of her wing them pop off, the wingless one. You understand? We are cry for peace out here, but every mix up she carry it. But me I tell you, somebody congratulate Dwayne, bro. We so far him real kinda keep up on a level, but for how long? Me I wonder which one of the Chinese man for how long? Or too long. Soon get shot.
Which means I could not control the things that came out of anyone else's mouth. Hence why I always tell you, I can only control what comes out of my mouth. Right? I can only control what comes out of my mouth. Right? That's why I stopped having call-in shows. And if I ever had a call-in show after that, anything that someone said that's not pleasing to me, I said stop. I said no, not on my page. Relax. We're not gonna do that. Anything else, but we're not gonna do that, right? And even if I did, oftentimes when we spoke, it was about
No problem with that, in advocating for the children. But you need to do one thing. You need to do one thing. What you're accused of, which is not an accusation, because you accept that, yes, you have said it, but you don't see it the way all other people see it, because as you said. So you need to come out here, the people them hold you for what you say. So you come out here and be a responsible person who say you are going to continue to advocate for kids, and come and make a public apology, and you telling off the woman to go look about her child speech. Then you can continue to do what you're doing. But until then, you can't come out and say you're advocate for kids when you have done it in the past, and it was identified and highlighted to you. Because you claim to say you never remember that, but when it was highlighted to you, you hold yourself responsible. Not hold yourself responsible, you accept, yes, you did say it, but you try to justify and say that is not cussing. I have a problem, a physical problem, and you take that, tell me, you cuss me, you don't have to tell me go my mother, you don't have to tell me go my girl, You take my physical problem or a medical condition and cuss me. You cuss me. Telling the woman, say before she out here in a people business and go on, she forgot to look after her son's speech. You need to come out here and apologize before you can come and say you're advocate for kids in social media. As I said, nothing is wrong with you want to do that, but not until you apologize for what you have done. Because if you don't apologize, that simply means you're going to be out here advocating for kids according to you. You understand? When you're guilty of charge. And guilty of charge and afraid or refuse to say, okay, I'm going to hold myself responsibility since I don't see it that way, I did not see it that way, I'm going to make a public apology. And you move on from there. But without that, you can't come out and come advocate for kids when you have done the same thing in the past.
But they thought you was doing something, because you're not doing nothing. In fact, you're making yourself look very much daft, right? Very daft. Because it's not my voice, right? It's not my voice.
I don't know what cause all of this between 1 and 316. I don't know what I've been said. Because I'm telling you, sometimes some things pass me when I don't see. Because I'm in the hard over. Unless you come in and I scroll. You buck up in that thing. Sometimes I not go searching at matter.
Life principle of protecting minors and protecting their innocence, I will not stop speaking out against this nonsense. I won't stop. Right? So keep doing you people, let me keep doing me in peace and tranquility. The same way you guys are over here harassing me, just know I would never come to your pages and harass any of you, because you are not worthy for me to come to any of your pages and even, yeah, it won't happen. It won't happen, right? Bear in mind, that should tell you I'm very important. Even though all of you, your page, you have 400, 500, 10,000 people in your pages, most of your conversations, they make no sense. Don't make no sense. Most of you should go back to your necessary home.
Me give you props on that one, if it's true. Me talk about it today. I give you props on it. I give you props on that one, that's true.
Something to feed your brain cells, to feed your mind. You're getting something substantial. You can say, okay, I've learned this today, or I can take this away today and apply it to my life. Because I got to know, instead of coming over here and picking on me, who's clearly finding my potential. Not for you. You have not found the potential. Maybe it's because you don't want to. That damn lucky key, or that damn lucky key reported. Many of you will never find the potential. You know why? Because it can be
You might talk little things that make sense, that's of the true. It played out with me and such somebody. Yes, it played out with me and such somebody, man. It come like, you know, sometimes you buy the star and when you look for the headline, them search to find a headline. And when you them see the headline, you see the headline and you buy the star, you go into the star, nothing else not in the star. Not even the headline when you read the article no good. But what? Them just not have nothing to talk about. You know, say honestly, sometimes, you know, people, me, we're there, and me just not have the vibes of the social media. There's enough time. Last week, Jesus, please. If me never stand up strong last week, God bless if I get 1, 2 video or 3 video. Cause last week, me just feel like say boy chop. Especially in the back end of last week, like Thursday, go right back to Sunday. Me just not have no vibes to do no social media video or nothing. But being the person who me is, me try to be professional in what me I do. And when me use the word professional, me meaning me I run a business, not because me I run the business and my business. Me I go treat it like say, chop. Me can't do anything as me have a mind. No, me still have to deal with the public. Me are the owner of the business and me I run the business. But remember, me still have people where I look up to me, where me have to dedicate my service to. So if me I sell water and me know people are comfy buy water, me can't just lock the shop so. And me can't just lock and open when me feel like, lock and open when me feel like. You know that happen? Me have to continue and start all over again. Because customers is going to get fed up. Because when them come at you 2, 3 times and pass so much place where you have the water and not buy it because so let's wait. Probably you sell it a little cheaper. But you see when them come, them can't get it. What them are going to do? Them are going to stop which part them sure them are pass wait the way them can't get it. You understand? And no matter the $5 more where them are going to pay or the little weight them are going to carry to the distance where them are go. So me try to be professional. Just like if me have to go a D&G or down a biscuit company and me have to go punch my card, so me have to reach between X time when me punch my card, management can say me is a man depend time. Me not come work as me feel like. Why in time I run my business me can't do the same thing. So me try to be professional. So when me know say uno out there look out for your video, there's many uno. When uno see me drop a video, uno wonder no time me not drop a video certain time, quick me DM full up. Want me tell you alright? Oh, to me not see no video from morning because me a search it. Me wonder if you post and me not see it. Because what? Uno know say well, one time gone, uno know me that post a video in the evening. That's how me I post like 1 video. Now me I post 2 videos. Me try to post one in the morning and give it some time and post one in the evening if me I go post 2 videos. Uno get used to that. So when you not see certain time of morning time and not see a video, uno start wonder, uno start all a search if you don't miss video. If me not post. So I try to make sure I go to a video. Even though when me I do this a video, I tell myself, tomorrow the start of the month, you know, I could take the Sunday, you know, but because it's a Sunday, I try to go to something. So when I do now, if something even out there, I try to take something from you, so something from this or something, and create a content. But at the same time, I create the content, it is listenable. It is listenable. You can sit down and listen and at the same time, you achieve something from what me I say. Some of them can't do that. If the cast and bag not dash you out here, some of them can't create a video. Can't create a content. You understand? Them can't take 3, 4 story and create a content. All things they will look like content and take it and create content. Them not good, so them not creative. All them know if you do is fabricate stories. Come out here and tell a bag of lie to fabricate story. You understand? Them are not a content creator. And when some of the people them say if them not name a show. You understand? I told the people them talk. Look how the video we post addressing XYZ. I come and I do a video addressing the individual. I did not play a video of nobody. I planned it to just say what me I say, and the Sophia video wanna get in the evening did for attach to that video. But when me see me sit down and me just check, I want it with me now. You see, once we get past the first part of the video, which we would probably call the intro of the video. If you don't mind, chop on off a gag my mouth, you know. Because I can't tap chat, you know. Because guess what? Things just a flow. Everything just a flow. I mean, I write down nothing. Everything just a flow. My hardest part of my videos is to get past the intro. My hardest part of my video is to get past the intro. You see, once I get past that, them could have sit down and talk without playing anything. Not play somebody else's voice and sit down. Yes, them can sit down and talk. But sit down and talk and you can have a listening ears and understand what them are trying to say. The point them are trying to get across. No. Them not good so. Them not good so it have to dash in front of them. For them take it and talk about it. Them can't create it. It have to just in the buckle and them come and them talk about it. You understand? If you get a buckle and the buckle empty, then can't put nothing in the buckle. Me I tell you that they're not good so. So what must I tell? And I must tell
people who's actually ambitious, people who has great jobs. But telling them,
you know the people them out there can create content, you know.
Doctor friend, spell it.
The man that him attack can create content. Whole more people out there can create content. I have the few we can't create.
Many of their aura is rubbing off onto me to say hello, not because I'm this, I can still do some things out to make an impact.
If it happens that tomorrow morning, me can't play not even a second out of film video or nobody video. All me have to do is listen to him and come dissect the video. Me can't sit down and do that. Them can't do it. Me I tell you that, them can't do it. And the only reason why I do it like this, because I want to get a better understanding of what have been said towards what me I go say.
Anyways, my love,
that's the only thing.
Well, you people, even though you guys said nothing to me, it's fine. I'm not upset. I'm really not upset. I'm just happy that you guys were here with me. I'm so
anyway,
appreciative.
Me not gonna make him done in video. I big up nobody, I big up himself or whatsoever. Me just want done this video. I'm telling you, say, have a blessed Sunday. Don't overeat. So tomorrow morning, you wake up to go to work late. And please remember, don't carry no Sunday, Monday to work. Don't get up in the morning and eat no Sunday, Monday for no breakfast. Remember niggeritis. Only one guy the people them work go sleep. Plus, me don't want no. We are do certain work where I have to work now and have to focus. Go and do it and niggeritis go take on. I wanna do those upon doing what I do and get damaged. So please don't carry any Sunday, Monday to work for no lunch and don't eat any for breakfast. When you come home Monday evening, Sunday, Monday evening I go nicer. Them time you can eat a Sunday, Monday because you have a lot of time. After eat it, digest it, go all a shower and go to your bed. By the time you sleep and wake, Tuesday morning, that gone out of you. But if you eat it and go to people them work, be careful. Speak my mind, people don't know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up on the video. Please to watch the ads, continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. Please go over on TikTok and follow Life is a Mission TV. Also, make sure when you go over there, you like the videos, you share the channel, and remember, left a comment, One Nation, so I know so over here wanna come from. Remember now, and remember, Life with Gabby and Chevy still asking for your subscription. The month start today, and you have 30 days after today to give them the 83 subscribers that they want to make 1,000. So come January, after the first week of January, I'm not supposed to tell go follow Life with Gabby and Chevy. No. After the first week of January, them respond to themselves to get them watch hours. Alright, so me I beg you, give them that 83 subscriber there. If you not subscribe yet, go subscribe to Life with Gabby and Chevy. The YouTube link is in my comment section. Just hit the blue writing and hit the word subscribe and press the post notification bell. Remember the cash app is there. You ask for it. When you gift me, I use the gift to give back to the needy, and that is this time of the month. And plus, I have the big one coming up for December to give back even 10 to 12 bag of grocery. It might not be that big 13,000 bag of grocery. Remember me a small channel. You understand? And whether I want to come on board or not in gifting me, so I can use it to give back to the needy, I want to make this my commitment. So I can't say 30 bag and then when come at the end of the day I get no assistance from you, the supporters, to reach that 30 bag, and me can't go in my pocket to reach a 30 bag. Me I go feel disappointed in myself because I don't like promise. So I make sure put it in a range where if anything I still not get no gift, I can go in my pocket and go bust 100,000 or 180,000 and deal with it, because that is my commitment to give back. It's just that when I ask the cash app to give me, when you give me, that's what I do, use a gift to give back to the needy, not the greedy. Alright? And I want to give back 12 or 10 grocery bags for the Christmas. There's a lot of people out here can't eat turkey, don't even have sure spot of Christmas dinner come from. I want to make sure that person have something to eat on that Christmas. If it's even some dumpling and saltfish and butter bean, or saltfish and baked bean, or open a tin of flash out, or a tin of bully beef, at least them have something can eat it better than nothing at all with little rice or boil 2 dumpling. I make 2 bread sandwich or crackers, because I give them at least a bread and a crackers also in the bag. You understand? But when you come on board now, it help me to make sure say yes, me can reach the tally of when I want to deal with without any headache or anything. Because remember, the whole of we have our own responsibility to also, you know. The whole of we have our own responsibility, but at the same time you just want to reach out back to needy people, because we know what it is to hungry. And so when you know what it is to hungry, but one thing, me never sit down and wait for a handout, because I don't like beg. I may hold me hungry, and that's why up till now, me love sleep so much. Now that me couldn't buy tin mackerel one time, now me can buy turkey. And me still do what me do best. When me hungry, lock up in my house and sleep off hungry, sleep off breakfast, sleep off lunch, because I can't afford it. When me go to the road, get up and pest a man for beg him little food, or I beg him a piece of bull or bread. No, I stay in my house and sleep off that. Because when you're sleeping, you know when you're hungry, and them say from me I go them say when you're sleeping and hungry, angel feed you. Once you wake up, you're going to feel hungry. When me I go to the way of the sun for, if you go pest people, me not depend that. So me know where hunger feels. So if me reach a stage now, me can give back somebody. Me never know when I reach a stage, one idea. When me can able to give back. Me can give somebody a 10 or a 15 or a 20,000 and know say boy, me not worry about it tomorrow morning. Me never know that. But the thing is, me not take up my money and give to greedy people. Me not take up my money and give to beggars like that. Me take up my money and give to people who me know needy. Yes, you might see some people are beg and you don't really know them needs and you say them a beggar. But if me see in the street every day, just a beggar, yes, a beggar. Yes, I might that you have to do for earn $1, yes. But at the same time, me I go do take it up and give every day. So what about the money me never give you to want something? And this is why I say when we give you today, me not respond to you tomorrow. Unless somebody see you and like you and say, no, someone reach out to that man there. Yes. Because me want to move on to somebody else who can't afford it. Me stick with you, me now can't help nobody else. Alright? Bless up on yourself. I'm out.